Zhejiang Hongshida Technology Company Limited was founded in 1999. Located in Haining, Zhenjiang Industrial Park, the company has advanced production equipment and strong technical research and development capability, covering a total area of 101 acres, with a plant area of over 93,000 square meters across 2 factories. Hongshida Technology is a national high-tech enterprise specialized in special new, small, and medium-sized enterprise. The company houses several research and development institutions, including the Jiaxing City Enterprise Technology Center and Zhejiang University Graduate Internship Base. The company has 4 production lines of calendar equipment, 6 laminating production lines, 2 knife coating production lines. The annual output of PVC film material is more than 40,000 tons, more than 80 million square meters of tarpaulin material. These products are widely used in flexible banner, mesh fabric, cover fabric, PVC tarpaulin, inflatable membrane, serving various fields such as safety protection, medical, building material, energy and chemical. The company will build a new standard plant of more than 80,000 square meters in 2023, adding 2 new industrial knife coating production lines, equipped with material bulk allocation system imported from Italy, servo motor control grinding machine, automatic measuring gluing machine, and other coating equipment. This ensures automated and precise operations in multiple stages, from ingredient grinding, color mixing, to color testing and sample preparation. Precise operation. Good raw materials create good quality. Hongshida Technology has long-term cooperation with first-class raw material suppliers such as Clariant and BASF and Shenyang Chemical Group, strictly controlling the quality of raw materials. Equipped with data chlor spectrophotometer, Italy Costa automatic scraping machine, and other professional equipment, from the selection of raw materials to processing, detection testing for a full range of tracking monitoring, ensure product quality. Technical research and development are strong guarantees for product innovation and the company's sustainable development. Hongshida Technology has obtained 6 national invention patents, 18 utility model patents. Our developed products obtained the International Quality Management System certifications. Our company has the most strict quality control process. Each product is tested through multiple tests of abrasion, folding resistance, tensile strength, combustion, weather resistance, welding, from raw materials to finished products, from sub-roll to packaging. Hongshida people strive for excellence. Ensure customers receive satisfactory products. Hongshida always pursues quality for development. The pursuit of innovative management road. Always put product quality and performance in the most important position. Good product quality is just the starting point. Hongshida will serve our customers wholeheartedly, bring better service and quality, work hand in hand, create a better future together.